Hey everyone, how you doing? Hope you're well. My name's Adam Lavell and I'm going to do a very quick tutorial just showing how you can get the very best close-up look without distorting your face. I'm using Firestorm. I'm at my studio, just using just a random pose, just looking pretty dashing. If I press my Alt key and my left button on my mouse, this magnifying glass type icon appears, and then I can click anywhere on me where I want my primary focus to be, like the center point of my shot. And then if I move left and right, up and down, left and right will rotate me, and then up and down on the mouse, if I go up and down, zooms in and out. Okay, but if I press my control button as well as the Alt and left button, then I can rotate in different ways, just so that I can get the best angle. Now if I focus on my head and I want to zoom in, you can see my head becomes a bit disproportionate. This is known as the fisheye look. The ears disappear and my face becomes like stretched. That's not a good look, even for me. So I go back a bit, I press Control and then 0, and I tap 0 as many times as I want until I go in. Now as you can see, my shape still remains, it's not as distorted, and I look my amazing self. So if I press my Alt button now and my left arrow key and then go back and forth, and then I can decide how close I want to be. And then if I press my Control button also, as well as the Alt and the left button, I can rotate up and down just to get that right angle. It's always good to just play around, just because you might discover a really cool angle that you might like. This one's going to be more of a close-up shot. Okay, so to reset your camera, you press Control 9 and it takes you back to your normal camera settings. Right? Okay, so to summarize, if I want to get a good close-up shot and maintain the shape of my AVI, I press Control 0 as many times that seems good to you, and then with my Alt and my left button pressed, and get the best angle of the shot. And then if I press the Control and Alt and my left button, then I can rotate perfectly. Okay, and then Control 9 to camera and go back to my camera settings. So here we are at my private residence, and I wanted to show you another thing that you can do that helps with like landscape photography, or if you want to get more of the scenery in your image using again some features. So first you decide on your focal point. So the center of my image is going to be, say this is going to be the center, and I'm just pressing my Alt key and my left button mouse, and then I'm just going to try and see what I want to include in the image. And then if I press my Control key also, as well as my left button, so the Alt key still pressed, and then just rotate my camera to get like a good view. There you go. And then if I press, instead of zooming in that I showed you before, I'm going to zoom out. Right, so now I encapsulate all this, but then it's a bit too much, so I'm going to still use my Alt and then just cam in a bit. So now it's still the same shot, but it's more taken from further back, and that's by using the Control Alt 8. So Control 9 to reset, Control 8, tap in the 8, can bring you out if you wanted to bring in more of the landscape, and then the Alt and the Control with the left button to maneuver your camera. Okay, I hope that all makes sense to you. If you have any questions, then please do let me know. Put it in the description below. Hope you find it helpful. Feel free to like, share, and most of all, practice. Have a go yourself. Nice one. Take care. Be good. Be happy. Be awesome. Bye.